Hey, welcome once again to my YouTube video. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all our latest uploaded video. So many people have been coming to my inbox and asking me that I'm facing errors while registering for Tinypesa. At the same time, the error which they're experiencing is causing them to also experience an error while integrating Tinypesa using my tutorial. So I'm going to explain on how to fix this error and what's new and why you're experiencing this error. So we're going to first start with why you're experiencing this error. So the first time when I was using Tinypesa, or when I came to know about Tinespesa, they were not verifying our accounts. What we used to do, we used to create an account, then we pay we pay 1 shilling for activation so that our account can be verified so that it can start working. But recently they have updated their terms. You need to send your document of your business so that you can prove that your business is legit, and then you start using Tinypesa. That's why most people, when they try to integrate using their API keys, Tinypesa fails because their account has not been registered. Now let me show you the difference between an account which has been registered and an account which has not been registered. Let me first log into my account, which I have already, it's verified and it's registered and verified. I'll click sign in, then I will enter the email of the account which has been registered. I need you to get the difference on what, if you experience this error, it means your account is not registered yet. So I'm going to try to mask here, then Gmail, then get link, let it to open. It will take a while. Then they have sent an email to this, not this, this is here. Then I'll click sign into the admin panel. After they've linked, now this is an account which has been verified. To know if your account has been verified, just click setting, then this is the payment link which is there. You can click here, Express Muskia software. So you can see here, these are, if your account has been registered already, you will receive this they will receive a field where you can enter your phone number, then the amount. This means I'm receiving this because my account has already been verified. You can see even here I have a blue tick. Now let me change and then try to log in. Click back, then log into an account which has not been verified with the account I have recently created before they updated after they have updated their terms. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to deep developers, then get link. After they will have sent me the link, now they have sent the link where I can log into my admin panel. Let me log in now. This is the administration link. Now this is an account which I have registered recently and it's not yet verified because one thing, I paid the first amount, which usually we used to pay, then the account gets registered, but I have not yet been registered, so my account is not yet verified. You can see while I click setting, then click this link. When I click this link, you can see there's a difference between an account which has been verified and an account which has not. You can see for a verified account I will receive this, but the one that have not been verified, this is the message that I'm getting. Awesome, your link is almost ready. Please submit your registration info using the form below. So you need to click and submit. You click here and submit the document, your KYC document. So you can see here, you can come here, this is what you need, then you can enter your email, then select your link type, developer, business, or individual. Then you can write your name, first name, alternative person to contact, then your registration, the Tinypesa registration link so that they can verify, and your phone number. Then here you can write your pay bill which you want to connect, or the bank of your name, the name of your bank, then business type. Here if you want to use it on e-commerce, clothing or others, then the county that you're in. So after you have finished, you see here you can upload here your KRA pin. Then you can also upload your passport. Then you hold your passport, you take a photo while holding your passport. After you have submitted it, now that's when they will return to within 24 hours they will activate your account, so that you can start using the Tinypesa. And if I need to put this information into most people, is that you cannot use even Tinypesa for API testing if your account is not verified. So you will receive errors if your account is not verified. Your API keys will not work, anything will not work. But what you just need to verify your account by filling this form and submitting everything that they require you to send them to them, and your account will be okay. So that's the error that I wanted to explain to people, and see you in my next video. Bye.